simple infographic between. On the left hand side is the candidates, what are the CFA candidates actually doing, and on the right hand side are the kind of work which the charter holder is doing, right? Now, what is the difference between them, right? If you see, the stark difference is that when you look at the charter holder side, you are looking at people who already have experience, right? About 8 to 10 years of experience. And for them, the major work that they're doing is portfolio management, right? Which means managing, large sums of capital together, right? So either in the form of mutual fund schemes, or either in terms of private wealth management or advisory. But the whole objective is they're not just focused on finding the intrinsic value of one stock. For them, the stock management is not the problem. The problem is the entire fund solution that you're giving to the client, right? But on the left hand side, if you see, the candidates are majorly doing the first part of that activity, which is research.